On the Ford, but we got the seat in and the dash painted and the whole outside painted. Yeah, this is my truck after it's been painted. Got the new windshields in it, and I got Booger Man over here. So on my last video of my four-wheeler, I had a Rincon, now I got a Foreman. I traded it for this. Tire sizes are a lot different. Today we're gonna hook up some stuff to keep the Snorkle stiff. What do you call that stuff again that you use?
Strut straps.
Cause like that one over there is loose bad.
Broke.
Yeah, well, yeah, it's broke too. This one here don't wiggle. We're gonna put it on that one too, ain't we? Like this one.
Yeah, we're putting both.
And it's got a hard pipe all the way through without a flex hose. Alright, so we'll get started on putting the strut straps, whatever he said. I also trimmed the plastics and took most of them off. I think these things are called Moose step bars. They were on it when I got it. If it'll focus. There you go. It's not got a whole lot to it. The tires are way different in size. I think it was 3 inches in the front. I mean, yeah, 3 inches smaller in the front than it is the back. But they're both 27, just the front's wore out so bad compared to the back.
Hey, you use your speakers down here and make sure they ain't gonna hit nothing?
Yeah.
Like that thing?
Like that? Yeah, they should stop somewhere right in there. I'm not sure. I'll go get them real quick and then we can see. Alright. You got big red, then you got little red. We're gonna call it Clyde though. Gonna paint it black with chrome, take out the plastic pins and put chrome rivets in them. And they're kinda close to fitting. I don't know, we could, I guess, cut it like...
You got a porta-band?
A what?
Porta-band. Portable bandsaw.
No, but I got a sawzall.
You got a band? No. You got a bandsaw?
Yeah, but we ain't got a metal cutting blade for it.
I want to do it. One square ain't gonna work.
I wonder how the speakers would look on the back.
Like, well, let's put this on first. It might get pushed up.
Well, hey, if it angles the speakers up in the air, that ain't too bad.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think it'd be alright.
Well, not if they're standing straight up, but you know.
You can mount it. Push forward and mount it like that. They might just fit.
Yeah, it'll fit them, but it'll be tight. But at least it won't be sliding around before they'd slide around bad.
Get a shot.
Yeah, it's hanging up on the wall in there. Up there on the wall. It's a white piece of paper hanging on the wall. See it? Alright. So, as I was saying earlier, truck's already painted. I had a ding in it driving around the yard. This is Hunter's little sexy Yoda. And the Dodge everybody loves. The red really pops in the videos on that truck. It ain't as red in real life. I think I said that in another video, but you know. So I'm gonna start doing the videos more frequently now. And in this video I'll be showing you how the snorkels work on the four-wheeler and all. And how I got it snorkeled and how deep I go with it and our other four-wheelers. We'll be doing a video this weekend. The mud park we go to. So I'll see you then.
From that way.
Take 2.25 to pull from the outside bar?
Mm-hmm, yeah.
I ain't doing very good that day. It's a little, no, it's on 5.
Here, put it on. There's a line. There's a line right there. Do it right there.
It'd be nice if we had the silver Sharpies. You know, putting black on black.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, until it dries. When it dries, it's gone.
It's hot for it.
I'll just hit the pause button.
Nope.
Oh, come on. There we go. Now it's recording. So we drew 2 1/4 marks on one side and 5 on the other. Drill to the holes to catch the strut. If you ever have issues with your snorkel wobbling, this will be a cure for it. So what kind of drill, what size drill bit should you use for that?
Quarter.
A quarter?
It's quarter.
Okay.
If you want the 1/4 inch washers, that's all we really had. 1/4 inch washers will fit right in the strut.
Alright. Got the holes pretty good. Nick the plastic just a little bit, it'll be okay. You can see that one pretty good.
Alright, now we gotta put linseed oil.
Oh yeah.
Spirits.
Yeah, mineral spirits. Yeah, that's what I got. So let's go get the mineral spirits. Alright. So which one is it? There it is. Alright, let me get you a rag. And we got some of this cheap spray paint. Spray paint the silver pieces because we don't really go with a red and black four-wheeler. What the hell? If I took your hand off, did it break the bit? No, I just knocked it loose.
Remember the chucks? Look at that. Did you see that in the video?
Oh, is that the chuck? It looked like it was loose. Yeah, it's just the chuck broke.
Nah, it's the Milwaukee drills. Don't get them.
Yeah, get the B-Walt, the good kind. They don't want to use them though.
I think it might be bent. Oh, it is bent.
Oh, it bent the drill bit?
Yeah.
Damn.
You see that? You might have to, you can kind of see it. It's bent.
Yeah, a little bit. It was bent like hell on that drill.
I think it might be the chuck too, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do that chuck for me again.
Huh?
Like take it out and do the chuck again. Where it was going. Shit. That's why you don't buy Milwaukee. It's just so clean sitting over there on its arm. Besides that big ass dent in it. I gotta fix. Let's get back to it. Oh yeah, good boy. Can you do it like that?
No, it's trying to walk on me.
Whoa, phone just skipped around like crazy. Oh, now it's just a big white screen. I think the phone got a little too hot. Sitting in the sun a minute ago. The other, oh, there it is. Trying to stabilize this video a little bit because the other ones are kind of shaky. I'm sure this one here is going to be a little shaky too. Last minute, because it's crunch time to get to the mud park this weekend. We got 3 days left to get everything running right on this four-wheeler. I'm going to do it with no boots and broken ball joints. So may not end too well. May end up having to drag the four-wheeler back to the trailer. Hey, what the hell's going on over there? What the fuck? Damn. So we're just cleaning the metal with metal spirits, and then we're spray painting it black to match the snorkels and all. And they're 28.5 tall, but they say 27 on the sidewalling. Front say 27 on the sidewalling, and they're 24s tall measuring. And I had to jack it up this high. Well, it don't look like it's that high, but it's actually pretty high to get it level. And it sits pretty damn high off the ground for a four-wheeler. Lower the jack so that way they can see how far it drops down. You just twist the rod. Like, it squats that much. It's insane. And when you're driving, you can feel it. So, I'm gonna do fatties all the way around, and 28s, new rims and all. New shocks too, probably. That'll be way later though. It's gonna be a beast in the mud. When my speaker's on, it doesn't move at all. It's in there like swimwear, like my buddy says.
In there like swimwear.
I broke the little Bluetooth thing for the speaker, so I gotta buy a new Bluetooth jack that you plug into it. But that's how it'll look when they're all hooked up and done. Well, we gotta jack the fuller down to where it looks deflect or bow-legged, whatever. You gotta push down on the front end because it's like naturally raised up. There you go. Now it's like perfect squat. I swear them back tires, I don't know why 27 is printed on it. They're so huge. But that's how you make your snorkel no longer wobble. Leave a like, follow, add me on Instagram and Snapchat if you enjoyed. Oh hell, I'm not gonna end the video yet. We gotta go test this thing out. It's got a little exhaust leak and the exhaust ain't bolted all the way on. That's my foiler, by the way. He thinks he owns it. So, we'll take it out to the lake and test it out, and then that'll be it. See y'all guys next time. We will be doing more videos more often now. As I said, here's the truck with its completion so far. Booyah. Traded my rincon in for this. Alright. This is the 2003 4-track 300 or 350, I think it is. It's got a cattail with a snorkel. I may need to turn mine off while it's skipping. Nice water wheelie. Damn snorkel.
Brandon's new Foreman TRX 450. He's got to fix the exhaust on it. They messed it up on the way out here. But fresh snorkels. Old Clyde. He ain't afraid to take that thing deep. Thick stuff.